Hi guys, our topic is about Klarna and my team members are Fionna, Danielle, Finesse, and me. I'm going to be talking about introduction. It is who started Klarna. It was Sebastian, Nicholas, and Victor. Their vision was simple. They just wanted to make sure to make an online payments easier and safer for both consumers and retailers. How did it start? The team started out cold calling merchants in 2005. They offer direct payments, installment plans, and pay after delivery options. Why is Klarna so successful? There are 3 reasons behind Klarna being so successful. Klarna focused on monetization from day one. User growth is built into Klarna's business model, while neobanks have to spend cash to acquire customers before they can even think about monetizing them with products. And the third one is Klarna repackages financial services with a modern lens. And the overview is going to be what's fintech, why is it important, fintech and financial literacy, what's Klarna, the pros and cons of Klarna, and the future of fintech and Klarna.
So what exactly is fintech? Fintech, or financial technology, is the term used to describe any technology that delivers financial services through software such as online banking, mobile payment apps, or even cryptocurrency. Fintech is a broad category that encompasses many different technologies, but the primary objectives are to change the way consumers and businesses access their finances and compete with traditional financial services. So there are many types of fintech. One of them is mobile wallets, and payment apps are some of the most ubiquitous forms of fintech. Services like PayPal, Venmo, Square, Apple Pay, and Google Pay allow peers to transfer money to each other or merchants receive payments from customers. Crowdfunding platforms such as Kickstarter and GoFundMe have disrupted traditional funding options by allowing platform users to invest their money in businesses, products, and individuals. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology are some of the most well-known and most scrutinized examples of fintech. Cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase and Gemini allow users to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technologies also have the potential to move into industries outside of finance to reduce fraud. Robo-advisors consist of algorithm-based portfolio recommendations and management to lower costs and increase efficiency. Some popular robo-advising services include Betterment and Ellevest. Stock trading apps such as Robinhood and Acorns have become a popular and innovative example of fintech, as investors can trade stocks from anywhere with their mobile device instead of visiting a stockbroker. Next slide, please. So the question is, why is fintech important? Today, fintech solutions are challenging the traditional financial infrastructure as more services transition to a new technological paradigm, such as using a payment app on a mobile wallet instead of carrying physical credit cards in a physical wallet. Fintech has revolutionized many different markets, most notably the banking, trading, insurance, and risk management industries. Fintech companies, which include startups, technology companies, and established financial institutions, utilize emerging technologies such as big data, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and edge computing to make financial services more accessible and more efficient. Now I move on to the next slide.
How can fintech improve your financial literacy? So currently we have 1.7 billion people around the world that do not have a bank account. These individuals are caught in a financial gap of $5.2 trillion. So we have 2 key components. One is promote global inclusivity. Technology plays a key role in bridging the financial gap by reducing the number of individuals without access to banking services by leveraging technology to cut costs and widen the spectrum of financial services. Next, sustainable growth. More financial firms are looking into the technological innovation and are spending more on research and development. Having this in place will reduce risk. Finally, fintech has the potential to coordinate development in financial markets and across wider industries. Next slide, please.
So then, now that we've gone over that fintech is new technology meant to improve and automate delivery and use of financial services, we can discuss what is Klarna and how can everyday consumers benefit from it. So Klarna is a Swedish fintech company founded in 2005, built to help consumers change the way that they pay for products online. They provide online financial services such as payments for online storefronts, direct payments, and post-purchase payments. They're headquartered in Stockholm, Sweden, and they have US offices in Columbus, Ohio. They currently employ over 3,000 employees with over 90 million customers worldwide, with 11 million of those customers living in the US. And Klarna works with all US stores via their app, or you can use Klarna directly on thousands of store websites, including large names such as Nike, Topshop, and Lululemon. And using Klarna is extremely easy and user-friendly. You simply add your favorite items to your cart and then select Klarna at checkout. You enter your basic information and you'll know instantly if you're approved. You'll get your email notification and your payment reminders via email, and then just complete all future Klarna purchases with a single click. So once you've downloaded the Klarna app or you've decided that you want to purchase directly from a store website using Klarna, what are your options? Well, Klarna offers a wide variety of products and services, including payment options where you can choose to pay for products over a certain amount of time, including pay over 6 months, pay later in 30 days, and pay in 4 interest-free installments. Additionally, Klarna offers something called Klarna financing accounts, which is a credit option that gives customers a revolving account, similar to a cardless credit card. The Klarna shopping app is the company's app that lets you shop and buy from any US online retailer using their one-time card. So a one-time card is a virtual single-use card used for shopping, and each time you create a one-time card with Klarna, you'll given a new unique card number that you can use in the checkout of the store, like any regular credit card. Each one-time card then follows its own payment plan that you can pay and manage. And then Vibe is Klarna's rewards club that lets you earn vibes when you shop with Klarna, no matter the store. $1 is equal to 1 vibe. So your vibes show up in a process bar, and once you've earned enough vibes, you'll get a new reward. So rewards include gift cards from customer favorites like Starbucks, Sephora, and Uber. And in addition, Vibe members have access to exclusive online and offline sales and shopping experiences. And finally, in-store shopping allows you to shop with Klarna's flexible payment options in physical stores, enabling you to shop now and pay later. So your purchases are divided into 4 payments that are automatically charged to your card every 2 weeks with no interest. And it works by creating a digital card in the Klarna app that you then can add to your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet. So now let's look at some pros and cons of Klarna from both the business and customer perspective. From the business perspective, Klarna is helping to increase purchases from online retailers who struggle to entice shoppers to complete a purchase after adding a product to their cart. The industry-wide cart abandonment rate is about 70% of orders. So shoppers often abandon their carts because they don't want to have to deal with the hassle of creating an account, or the checkout process is just too complicated. And Klarna helps to reduce this payment friction. Even better for retailers, Klarna assumes the financial risk of encouraging shoppers to close the deal without a payment. When the retailer ships a product, Klarna pays the merchant and then informs the consumer of their payment schedule. And then from the customer perspective, Klarna genuinely provides a flexible solution if you're trying to juggle a budget. As mentioned previously, customers can choose between multiple different ways of deferring payments, thereby managing the cash flow better. However, it's important to note that for customers using Klarna's financing route, Klarna currently offers an APR that's just shy of 20%, with a minimum interest charge of $2 and a late fee of $35. As well, Klarna markets its services towards millennials and Gen Z shoppers, believing that they demand a smooth shopping experience. And studies suggest that these consumers are increasingly willing to shop on credit. Klarna's own figures indicate that when allowed to pay on installment or with financing, consumers tend to spend more, which raises concerns about whether the service enables young shoppers to take on more debt than they can handle. So when weighing the pros and cons of Klarna, we can come to the conclusion that Klarna may be fit for borrowers who enjoy shopping and can comfortably afford the monthly payments, and for businesses who sell big ticket items or face high rates of cart abandonment. So I'm going to hand it back to Daniel, who's just going to end us off with the future of fintech and the future of Klarna.
Thank you, Fiona. So the future of fintech and Klarna. So the first one will be solely digital banking. More services will be offered digitally, and individuals that do not take part in those services will eventually do so. This will lead to a 36% drop in physical bank visits within the near future. Next, we'll talk about AI. Many individuals already use AI, such as face and voice recognition, predictive analytics, and logical reasoning. Now, the National Business Research Institution and Narrative Science states that a part of the 32% that already use AI will increase in the years 2020 and 2021. Klarna is investing into the future and is doing so by launching Klarna Future Shopping Lab. This transforms the mailbox from a static relic to a platform for e-commerce, sustainably, in shoppable neighborhoods. This project will aid Klarna to research how future shopping experiences might be. The main goal is to inspire everyone involved in the shopping experience, from retail and city planning to technology and logistics, and accelerating the evolution of shopping. And this will conclude our presentation. Thank you for your time.